मुद्दम आयिल्लो कित्याक हांवें विधानसभेन जे अश्युरन्स दिले की सावथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल आमी चॅक करतले. हांगा आमचे जे कितें स्टाफाचे कितें ओपिनियन आहा, डॉक्टरांचे कितें शॉर्टेज आहे, प्रत्येक गोष्ट समजून घेवपाक म्हणून हांव आयिल्लो. म्हाका पब्लिसिटीचेर चड खास ना आनी मेन म्हणून हांव एकटोच आयिल्लो इतलेच खातीर की पळोवन घेवन मागीर डायरेक्टर कडल्यान मागीर हांव सरकारा कडेन ते मांडपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. आयज सावथ गोवाच्या लोकांक चडशे रेफरल जे जाता जे आमचे कडेन सेंटर ऑफ एक्सलन्स म्हणून आमी शब्द दिल्लो गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान जशें आमी करता तशें हांगा दोन करपाक म्हणजे सावथ गोवाच्या लोकांक पणजे धाडपाची परिस्थिती येवची ना. कार्डियाक एक गरजेची गोश्ट आहा, ऑर्थोपेडीक एंड न्युरोलॉजी हे 3 डिपार्टमेंट आमी जर हांगा ओपन करूं शकले आनी इंडिपेंडंट आमी करूं शकले आनी एक्झिस्टींग जे आमचे डॉक्टर एकदम बरें काम करता आपल्या लेवलाचेर जे ICU बी आज पळोवन आयला सगळे PICU आनी जे कितें आमचे पेडियाट्रीक इंटेन्सीव केअर युनिट जे आहा, पूण त्याच बरोबर लोकांक जी सोयी सुविधा आनी त्याच बरोबर जेवणाची सोय जी आमी गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान केला. आयज सावथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलाची संख्या दिसाक म्हाका दिसता 650चे वयर ओपीडीचे जे वयर लोक जाता म्हणजे तांकां त्याच तरेची सोय उपलब्ध करून दिवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न सरकाराचो आसूंक जाय. आनी म्हाका दिसता हे सगळे गोश्टी फुडले 4-5 म्हयन्या भितर हांव मुख्यमंत्री कडेन मांडून एक विशय डिस्कस करपाचो. कित्याक केन्ना केन्ना आमी डिस्कस करता पूण हें इम्प्लिमेंट जावपाची गरज आहा. इम्प्लिमेंट जाल्यारूच आनी सेंटर ऑफ एक्सलन्स जो पर्यंत तें जायना आनी कार्डियाकाची वेगळी सोय आमी करिना, त्याच बरोबर ऑर्थोपेडीक म्हाका दिसना की सावथ गोवाच्या लोकांक जे तेंचे मनान आहा ते आमी करूं शकतले. पूण हांव मुद्दम आयिल्लो की आमचे डॉक्टर आहा, डॉक्टर रेड्डी आहा आनी बाकीचे सगळे डॉक्टर्स कडेन चर्चा करून इवन नवें तेंचे कडेन ऑटोमॅटीक ब्लड एनालायझराचो प्लॅटफॉर्म जो आमी गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान धाडला तांकां अश्युरन्स दिला की फुडले 2-3 म्हयन्यान हांगा आमी उपलब्ध करून दितले म्हणजे हांगासरले सॅम्पल भायर वचपाची गरज पडची ना. इतलेंच पळोवपाक हांव आयलो. थँक्यू सर. थँक्यू सर. सी यू. आय विल बी so general if you want to run it through.
We have Randox and Open for biochemistry and biosystems.
So Dr. Siano. What is lacking now, Dr.
So we need an automated zooming analyzer.
That's what I was asking you. That's what I was asking you is what is the platform you got so that you can just like GMC we have a smaller
In install it here. We have kept space. We have around almost 120 urines per day.
What is the total load of samples?
120 per day.
No, other samples, blood samples. Blood samples.
Blood samples.
How much?
Almost 200.
So you need a fully automated.
Urine.
You will get it done fast.
And sir, another machine, an automated machine, to run all investigations.
So like
Round the
GMC,
clock.
that's what I was asking.
Round the clock for the ICUs. I mean emergency basis. Like a user friendly, technician friendly.
But you have enough technicians in it. Platform means a automated system. You cannot work like this with bits and pieces. So when it becomes such a big hospital, you require that. That's what I was trying to explain. But are you sending any samples out from it?
Few also samples.
Yeah, what are the tests for?
The cardiac exam.
You can't do cardiac exam?
That's why we want that platform, that automated. If we can get that, then we can do it.
Reagents to short supply.
No, they are actually dry chem technology. You don't need reagents. It's like a card and you can run many.
But when you get that order, that thing you require reagents.
You need that. It's a closed system. So permanent technicians already. So that you can run the blood center. The permanent one. With the FDA guidelines, usually prefer permanent blood bank.
So you can see the blood bank also. You have just
Usually you have component setups. Reading through the night. So that's why actually we are not able to open it.
बेडशीट भी कुछ चेंजेस
No, sir.
I will go now. So the lactation.
नाही पण सगळ्यांनी घेऊन कोविडची आम्ही
तुमचे केले
थँक यू
lactation good. These ones. We have enough.
So this is our intensivist consultant, medical officer, other stuff.
Who was it?
They're doing a good job. She's a consultant, intensivist, ICU specialist, and she's medical officer working there. So they're doing a good job in ICU. A lot of patients.
But able to manage, we are able to hold on to patients there, no?
Yes, sir.
We are now handling patients who would have normally, been transferred.
Okay.
9 bedded.
At least we didn't have anything. Have something backup. What's the posting on this? Other nurses?
1 minute. Hello. कितने staff हैं?
How much staff is there for sister right now?
कितने आ गए? 4 जाता तुका? 4 पा? 4 per shift. Total?
So sometimes even 5, 6 or 7 also.
पोस्टेड कितले हांगा?
20.
या ICU. आम्ही नवे घेतल्याने स्टाफ मागीर MTSचे कितें गायब जाले म्हण ऐकलें. MTS कोण हांगा?
MTS is there, no? So they are now become permanent or this? I think MTS is also on contract, sir. They just brought temporarily.
Okay. But there were some 12, no, that were taken. But there were 12 taken, no? Okay, doctor. 12 were taken. No?
Yes, but all these join.
Okay.
Okay, so they, after that going there, they said her pressure, sugar and creatinine is high. We are not going to admit for the operation. You have to staple everything and then bring back. So they told us to go from GMC to back to here, district hospital.
Why?
Because they are saying we are not admitting her again because of her all these issues.
Phone number and 0. No, I will speak. 1 is which one?
Surgery.
Who's the doctor in surgery?
Which is what, surgery or ortho?
Surgery.
Surgery, leg, what like
Leg fracture.
काल गेले ते आमकां परत धाडला सगळी खाटा
ते डॉक्टर म्हाका फोन मारून सांगता नंबर जाय.
But GMC doctor send us back again.
Just find out what number.
And she is senior.
Click the name and find out which this thing will be.
ते डॉक्टर आपल्याला
They are waiting for a bed. The moment they are discharged, they get a bed. So the
there's no end to it. Problem what happens is that there's no end to us. Yeah. It becomes a problem. At least there's no scope. So now patients will be discharged.
Actually, bed असा सत्तर. Bed and 100 सुद्धा जातात. आणि डेब्यू आणि ऑडिट
Total हांगा हे ऑर्डर डेबिट केले किती आसता?
आता आम्ही ॲडमिशन डेब्यू केली आहे तुमची आलेली 4 2 आसतात.
नेक्स्ट टाइम किती आसता?
Every time तेच म्हणटा आमी 5 ते 6 वाजता मॉर्निंग इव्हिनिंग 4 ते 3 आसता. तरी एका शिफ्ट प्लस जायचं. तसेच मेडिकल ऑफिसर असतात. ओपीडी असतात.
problem what happens is you have to be backed up. Unless you're backed up and given staff, you will not be able to do anything. How will you do?
Yes, sir, correct.
We go on making assurances. There is no meaning.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.